Remember that time you asked your phone for directions and felt a strange kinship with Siri? Okay, maybe not, but think about it. How often do you find yourself talking to your phone, asking it questions, or even thanking it when it gets something right? It's almost like having a tiny digital friend in your pocket. But that, my friends, was your first foray into the wild world of AI companionship. It's getting weird fast. From simple voice commands to complex interactions, AI is becoming more integrated into our daily lives than ever before. It's not just about convenience, it's about creating a seamless blend between human and machine. We're talking machines that can hold conversations, recognize your emotions, and even tell you a joke, though the bar for robot humor is admittedly low. Imagine a world where your morning routine includes a chat with your AI assistant, who not only sets your schedule, but also knows your favorite coffee order and can predict your mood based on your tone of voice. This isn't some dystopian sci-fi flick, folks. This is the reality we're stepping into, one where technology is not just a tool, but a companion. The lines between human and machine are blurring, and it's happening right in front of our eyes. This is your living room circa right now, so buckle up. The future is here, and it's more integrated into our lives than we ever imagined. From smart home devices that learn your habits to AI companions that can engage in meaningful conversations, the landscape of our daily interactions is changing rapidly. We're diving deep into the world of AI companions, those digital buddies blurring the line between gadget and, dare I say it, friend. These aren't just fancy toys. They're becoming integral parts of our lives, offering companionship, assistance, and even emotional support. We'll explore their rise, their uses, and the ethical landmines we're stumbling towards faster than a Roomba hitting a banana peel. The implications of AI companionship are vast, touching on privacy, security, and the very nature of human relationships. Let's be clear, AI companions aren't about replacing your buddies, at least not yet. They're about enhancing our social interactions, providing support when human friends aren't available, and offering a new kind of relationship that blends technology with empathy. They're about augmenting our lives, filling gaps, and maybe offering a digital shoulder to cry on when your goldfish dies again. Imagine having an AI that can sense your sadness and offer comforting words or even suggest activities to lift your spirits. But as with any new technology, there are questions to ask. Big questions. Questions about the nature of companionship, the ethics of AI, and the potential consequences of becoming too reliant on machines for emotional support. Big existential questions that even Siri can't answer yet. What does it mean to have a relationship with a machine? Can AI truly understand human emotions, or are they just mimicking responses based on algorithms? These are the questions we need to consider as we move forward. Think of this essay as a friendly warning disguised as light-hearted social commentary. We're on the brink of a new era, one where our interactions with machines could redefine what it means to be human. It's a thrilling yet daunting prospect. Because while AI companions might sound like something out of Black Mirror, the reality is far less sinister, mostly. The potential for positive impact is enormous, but we must tread carefully, ensuring that our embrace of AI enhances our humanity rather than diminishes it. Let's meet the gang, shall we? In today's world, AI companions are becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From helping us manage our schedules to providing companionship, these digital assistants are more than just gadgets. They're becoming members of our households. First up, it's Alexa, everyone's favorite know-it-all voice assistant. Alexa has become a household name, known for her ability to answer questions, play music, and control smart home devices with just a simple voice command. Need to order cat food at 3 a.m? Alexa's got you. Whether it's shopping online or setting reminders, Alexa is always ready to assist, no matter the hour. Want to know the weather in Helsinki while wearing nothing but a bathrobe? Alexa's judging you, but she'll still deliver that forecast. Her ability to provide real-time information makes her an invaluable tool for many. But Alexa's just the tip of the iceberg. The world of AI companions is vast and varied, with each device offering unique features and capabilities. There's Jibo, the social robot, that looks like a cross between a desk lamp and Wall-E. Jibo is designed to interact with people in a more personal and engaging way, making him a favorite among families. And Pepper, the humanoid robot who's probably already stolen your job at the mall kiosk. Pepper is known for his ability to recognize faces and emotions, making him an excellent customer service representative. Let's not forget Sophia, the robot citizen who's more articulate than your average Twitter troll and arguably more self-aware. Sophia has made headlines for her advanced AI capabilities and her ability to engage in meaningful conversations. These AI companions are popping up everywhere, from our homes to hospitals, and they're here to stay. Their versatility and adaptability make them suitable for a wide range of environments and applications. Some are designed for companionship, offering a digital ear and a somewhat witty retort. These AI companions can provide comfort and interaction, especially for those who may feel isolated or lonely. Others are purpose-built for caregiving, assisting the elderly or providing emotional support. These AI caregivers can help with daily tasks, monitor health, and even provide reminders for medication. It's important to note, these AI companions aren't just glorified Tamagotchis. They are sophisticated devices capable of learning and adapting to their users' needs. They can learn your preferences, anticipate your needs, and even offer a semblance of emotional connection. This ability to personalize interactions makes them more than just tools. They become part of our daily lives, which, let's be honest, is more than we can say for some Tinder dates. In a world where human interaction can sometimes be lacking, these AI companions offer a new way to connect and engage. Now let's get serious for a moment. Don't worry, there will be jokes again soon. AI companions are stepping into roles that have traditionally been filled by humans, particularly in healthcare. These digital assistants are not just gadgets, they are becoming integral parts of the caregiving ecosystem. And before you cry, robot uprising, hear me out. The goal here isn't to replace human caregivers, but to enhance the quality of care provided. Imagine a world where lonely seniors have a digital companion to talk to, play games with, or even remind them to take their medication. These AI companions can provide a sense of routine and companionship that many elderly individuals lack. Imagine veterans struggling with PTSD finding solace in an AI therapist that listens without judgment, available 24/7. These AI therapists can offer immediate support, helping to bridge the gap between therapy sessions and providing a constant source of comfort. This isn't about replacing human caregivers. It's about augmenting the care they provide, ensuring that no one falls through the cracks. It's about bridging the gap, providing support where resources are stretched thin. In many healthcare settings, staff are overworked and under-resourced. AI can help alleviate some of this pressure by taking on routine tasks and providing additional support. It's about recognizing that sometimes all you need is someone or something to listen. AI companions can offer a listening ear, providing emotional support and companionship to those who need it most. There are limitations, of course. AI can't replace the warmth of human touch or the nuanced understanding of a trained professional. It's important to recognize these limitations and use AI as a supplement, not a replacement. AI can't replace the warmth of human touch or the nuanced understanding of a trained professional. The human element in caregiving is irreplaceable and essential for providing holistic care. But it can offer a lifeline, a connection in a world that can feel increasingly isolating. In an age where social isolation is a growing concern, AI companions can provide a much-needed sense of connection and support. These digital companions can help reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, providing a sense of companionship and support that can significantly improve quality of life. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into caregiving, it's crucial to strike a balance. We must ensure that these technologies are used to enhance human care, not replace it. By doing so, we can create a future where AI and human caregivers work together to provide the best possible care for those in need. And now, back to the jokes. Because even in the world of AI caregiving, a little humor goes a long way. Here's the billion-dollar question. Can AI truly understand and respond to human emotions, or are we just falling for a very convincing magic trick? Because let's face it, AI empathy is essentially a sophisticated algorithm. It's programmed to recognize keywords, analyze tone of voice, and respond in a way that mimics compassion. But does it actually anything? Probably not. But does it matter? That's where things get philosophically murky. If an AI companion can provide comfort, alleviate loneliness, and offer a listening ear, does it matter if it's real empathy? Or is the illusion enough? This is a question we'll be grappling with for years to come. One thing's for sure, AI is getting better at faking it. And in a world where genuine human connection feels increasingly rare, maybe that's enough to make us feel a little less alone. For now, at least.